Diecast Dave here. I want to show you something my sister picked up at a yard sale for me. She gave $2 for it. It's a vintage Redline Hot Wheels case. The decals are missing off of it. She gave $2 for it. She originally thought it was just a case. Wait till you see what was in it. It's a good deal for $2. Well, the first thing that was in that $2 case was original Redline Chevy Camaro Hot Wheels. Thinking about restoring it, but I may not. For me, it's decent shape. It's one of my holy grails I want to be able to find. It's got the white interior. The wheels are actually not in bad shape. I never figured I'd be able to get this one. And next we have it's a Matchbox. It's a Lesney from England. You know, it's old. I don't know what kind of car it is. If you don't know what some of these are, let me know. It's got the front end of either a Beamer or a Mercedes. Until it's been loved on, played with. You see that the right-hand drive, the fella's on the right-hand side. Little dog sticking out the window. I hope this video ain't crooked. Looks like my camera phone might be crooked. Next we have, if I can get it out, there it comes. This next one is a Matchbox Lamborghini. Mira, made in England. There's no date on it, but it's old. Look what the shape this one's in. I believe some of these is worth a little bit of change. It's the head right there. It's got a couple paint chips on it on the front. Doors are on it. They open and shut good.